Hi, my name is Dr. Raquel Ortiz. I'm an anthropologist, a storyteller, and I write children's picture books. And I also create educational material for the Puerto Rican Heritage Culture Ambassadors Program and the Culture Ambassador Junior. As part of Centro's Women History Month celebration, today we're highlighting Puerto Rican pionera Buda Bebre. Buda arrived in New York City in 1921. She became the first Puerto Rican and Latina librarian, and in 1932, she published her first children's picture book, Beres and Martina, a Puerto Rican folktale. Buddha also was an ambassador of Puerto Rican folklore, a magnificent educator, a phenomenal storyteller, and a celebrated puppeteer. Thanks to Buddha's books and puppet performances, generations of Boricuas in the diaspora learned about, celebrated, and took pride in their folklore. Because of this, Reforma has named a medal in her honor. The Buddha Bebre Award recognizes and cultivates children and young adult literature created by Latinos and for Latinos. And this year celebrates its 25th anniversary. Now, according to Buddha, the story of Perez and Martina was her golden key, opening doors for her everywhere. Buddha used this tale for puppet shows, pantomimes, and plays. It was shown on TV and told on the radio. One year, Buddha, Martina, and señores Gato, Pato, Sapo, Gallo, Grillo, and Ratoncito Perez even rode on a float down Fifth Avenue, part of the National Puerto Rican Day Parade. As a Puerto Rican born and raised in Lorain, Ohio, and the author of a number of children's picture books, I am a big fan of Buddha's work. I'm happy to share that I was given the opportunity to write the script and lyrics for Centro's animated film. And I've had the great fortune to work with a wonderful team of talented people to bring Buddha's book to life. I also create Cultural Ambassador Junior educational materials for educators and caregivers of children in pre-K through fifth grade. These materials teach and celebrate Puerto Rican history and culture and include book readings, teacher guides and caregiver guides, timelines, maps, and short videos. For this film, we're making the script available, and I've created 2 guides and a handout. The teaching guide shares ways to explore Puerto Rican folklore, culture, tradition, and the musical genre of plena. Suggested activities can be used in language arts, social studies, art, and music classes. And the guides give ways to use Centro materials such as the Puerto Rican Heritage poster series and the exhibit Buddha Bebre, Ambassador of Puerto Rican Folklore. The Reader's Theater Guide gives strategies on how to perform Cucarachita Martina's musical adventure, and the handout helps children bring Martina and señores Gato, Pato, Sapo, Gallo, Grillo, and Ratoncito Perez to life through their own puppet production. Become cultural ambassadors. Join us helping our children learn, share, and celebrate Puerto Rican culture to keep the legacy of our querida Buddha alive.